Hey guys, so it's that time. I'm gonna start by doing the unboxing of the Gatekeeper Builder's Kit. I haven't done one of these in a while, so not much to do, but go right to it, right? Now I've already rummaged through the box. The manual seems pretty clear. I did notice that the manual shows wheels and tires, but this kit does not come with wheels and tires. So that's one thing. Not that it's a big deal. I got my wheels and tires, and I'm pretty sure people who buy the kit, it does say on the website that it doesn't come with wheels and tires. Got all the stickers, and I haven't seen what this little thing is. Oh, basically advertising pamphlet. All the Lexan body panels. Lexan interior. Looks to be battery tray. From a quick look, it looks like there's two different sizes, unless they're for separate things. But yeah, we got that. Looks like the whole cage and a head. There's one diff case. Frame rails. Wow, that's pretty long actually. Probably suspension links, steering links, and ball joints. And the shocks. Obviously, we'll go more into detail as we're building it. We're going to build it part by part. So it's going to be one episode for the diffs, one for the chassis, electronics, and then for the body. Unfortunately, the body, I was planning to do this during the holidays, but I can't paint the body right away because it's like below 0 Celsius here most of the time at this time of year. So the body might have to wait till January when I actually can get back to work and do painting there. But that also gives me time to figure out exactly what I want to do for the paint. Okay, so we got the gears here. Alright, shock towers. Okay, so basically chassis components, skid plate. Here's the other diff, looks like the rear. And some other odds and ends with screws. Oil, grease. And here we go. Let's open up this box. Because the box can become your garage. So that's kind of neat. So that's about it. Not really much to unboxing. I didn't open up all the packages and that. That's kind of, I don't know, to me that's kind of boring. Besides, we'll open up the packages as we're building. and we'll see everything there. So this kit has some pretty cool features. It's probably, in all honesty, the best kit I've ever purchased. I've always liked Associated in general, and having them come into the scale truck realm, if you will, is pretty interesting. So stay tuned for the start of this build, and I'll catch you guys later.